Question number 2 from JEE Advanced 2021 paper, and that's paper 1. So this question number 2 is based on thermodynamics, and again it's a very simple question and easy to score. Let me explain the question and its solution then. It says an ideal gas undergoes 4-step cycle. PV diagram has been shown to us. During this cycle, heat is absorbed by the gas in which processes? So we need to identify the process. Process is this one process, then 2, then 3, then 4. Now if you read this process 1, this process 1 is isobaric. This is isobaric expansion. So isobaric expansion, we need to talk about the heat. Whenever we need to talk about the heat of a system, in detail if we go, we can think about this thermodynamic system, piston cylinder system, and the gas inside. Now we need to see how things are happening. Now since here expansion taking place, that means it is expanding. So when there is expansion, there must be some heat coming from outside if it is not adiabatic, right? So heat is going to be there. It's isobaric. So heat must be supplied to the gas. So we show symbolically like this, heat has to be supplied in this process, that is one process. Come to the process number 2, and let's check which type of process this 2 is. This is isochoric, because you see the volume remain the same. As well as isochoric process, then we'll see what happens to the temperature. Now since pressure is dropping, so there are two equations that can be followed. Delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. Now in this process 2, delta W is 0. Since delta W is 0, that means delta U will decide what happens to heat, whether it is being supplied or rejected from the gas. So you find the temperature is dropping because pressure is dropping. How to decide that? PV is equal to nRT. You'll find V constant, N constant, R constant. So if P decreases, T decreases. So point is internal energy is decreasing. That means heat is going to be negative. That means heat will be ejected. So whatever the temperature drop is, that means drop in the internal energy, that has to be come outside in the form of heat. So that means from here the gas is going to reject the heat. Process 3 is isobaric compression. Isobaric compression. So when you compress this piston, if you compress this gas basically, so its temperature rises and heat comes outside in normal situations. So you'll find here P remains constant. And it is being compressed. So we need to talk about in terms of heat. So when you compress a gas, so work is being done against the gas. So you'll find from here the heat is going to be rejected. We can call it as a Q3. Come to the process 4. In this process 4, it is isochoric, of course. And this isochoric process, pressure is increasing. That means temperature is increasing. So you will find the work done is 0 and internal energy is increasing. That means its heat is going to increase of the gas, that's of system. So that means heat has to be supplied for that purpose. So this will be Q4. Now this is how we can identify how the heats are going. So whenever there is expansion, heat needs to be supplied. Whenever there is a compression, heat will be coming outside from the gas. So we can decide from 1 and 3 in this manner, and for 2 and 4 by using the temperature and internal energy, because work done is 0 in these two processes. Now read the question. Question says heat absorbed by the gas. So when you supply heat to the gas, then it is going to absorb. So this is our system. In this system we are supplying heat as Q1, we are supplying heat as Q4, whereas Q2 and Q3 are heat that the system is releasing. So we say 1 and 4 process, 1 and 4 steps or process, they are going to be the processes or steps in which heat is going to be absorbed by the gas. So C will become the right response. This is a single correct question, so C can be marked. Thank you.